Hi guys, Laz here again, and in this video we're going to be talking about the app that we're going to be using to import products into our store and sell them and be able to fulfill these orders basically automatically. So I want you guys to go into the apps section right here of your Shopify store, and it's actually going to be this app right here that is the first one to pop up. If you guys don't see this here, you guys could just go into visit Shopify App Store, and I'll just do this with you guys really quickly just in case. And you guys are going to search up Oberlo, and it's going to be this one right here. So Oberlo, developed by Oberlo, it is this app right here, guys. This is the one that we use to upload our products. Now keep in mind that there are other apps that do stuff that is similar to this. This one is just the simplest one to use. Shopify owns this app actually, so it's really well integrated with Shopify, and it works well for us guys, so we're just recommending it for you guys as well. So basically what you guys are going to want to do is click here, get, and it's going to ask you to install the app. I'm going to click install, and here we are guys. So we have just created a Shopify store. We've connected our Shopify store. Here we have, as you can see, this just popped up right now. So basically this is a little help section here where if you have any questions, you could just type in here, and these guys are pretty good at getting back to you really quickly. If you have any questions on how to use the app, I'm pretty much going to go over the main things with you, so there shouldn't be many questions, but just in case you do pertaining to this app, everything is here. And they have a whole section on how to import products, how to determine pricing, customizing the products, yada yada. Everything is in here, guys. So you can very easily and quickly get in here, do this. It even talks about drop shipping, what the premise is, how you should sell, etc. But I'm just gonna keep running through this, guys, and show you how this app works. So that you have all these tabs here on the left, and we'll go over these shortly. But basically what I want to do right now is go into the settings, which is this cogwheel down here. You see that our store is linked and connected, so that's good. You're gonna see there's global pricing rules here. I don't like to have these. I actually don't use these at all. I actually like to put my own pricing on it. So I will just shut this off for now, and I won't be using this stuff right here just yet. But let's continue on here. Suppliers, continue on here. This is an important section, guys. So right here, Oberlo Supply, we don't really use this. This is something that imports products automatically for you, but you want to do the product research and import the products that you like, stuff that's backed by your knowledge, that will sell, or you have a good feeling that will sell. This is just going to import other products that may or may not be good, but we're going to find our own products, guys. So onto here, the next section. This is very important, guys, because this is what is it's gonna automatically send this to AliExpress when you're making your orders, and it's gonna save you a bunch of time. So we're here where it says default shipping method. We're basically gonna click here, and we're gonna select ePacket. Now ePacket is the basic form that the suppliers from China use to deliver stuff to the US. It is the cheapest and probably the safest form. They have to give you a tracking number every time they ship an e-packet, so you'll have tracking numbers for those, and like I said, guys, it's the cheapest method, so that is really good. That's what we want to use. So default shipping method, we want to make sure it's e-packet selected. On override phone number, you want to select the number here. This is the number that if there's any issues with tracking or anything, um, basically this is the number that it's going to be put in. So if a customer doesn't put in their phone number, this is the number that's going to be put in. Now, guys, keep in mind that if a customer doesn't put in a phone number and they receive this product, the number is going to get traced back to you. So the customer might have questions about the product and stuff. And if you don't want them having your number, I would recommend putting in another number, maybe a customer support number. Like I said, I'm just going to put in that number that we made up earlier. 1111234. I think that's the number we used. So we're just gonna use that there. And on the custom note, this is a note for AliExpress. So we want to make sure that they're not sending a receipt with the item that we're buying, just because if someone buys something from your store for say $20 and you're buying it from AliExpress for say $5, you don't want that customer to see that the receipt says $5 because they're going to be thinking, wow, I paid $20 for this and this says $5. They're going to be a little bit confused. So, and it's gonna set off an alarm in their head. So here you basically want to put in, uh, uh, I am doing drop shipping. Please do not include price receipt. Thank you. So basically, this little note will be applied to every order that you send to your customer. I mean, to your supplier. Every time you send an order to your supplier, this note will be applied so then they'll know that you're doing drop shipping and not to include a price receipt. So that's good here. We want to make sure we click save. And another important thing we want to do here is we want to get the Chrome extension. So I already have the Chrome extension. I'll just run through this with you guys anyways. So we're going to select that. All right, I already have it added to Chrome, but you guys can go ahead and add it. I'm actually gonna manage my extension so I could turn it back on. So it's right here. You see Oberlo AliExpress product importer. I already have it. So I'm gonna enable that. It's this one right here, guys. So that's good to go. And just add it here. We should be good there. And okay, so that's good to go. We're gonna go on to reporting. And this is basically how you want to see it. This is based on personal opinion, what you would like to see. You can see your total sales or Oberlo item sales. It's really up to you. Do you want a daily email? Do you want a weekly email, monthly email? I'm not going to select anything here for now. I'm just going to continue. And basically your email and your time zone. Okay, so everything else is good to go here. Just save once again. And pretty much, guys, that's it for the Oberlo setup. So in the next video, we're going to be talking about the basics of product research and what we're looking for when we're looking for products. And then we'll start adding products to our store using this app, which is super easy, super simple. And we'll go through all this, guys, and get the ball rolling. All right, guys. Well, thank you for sticking around and see you guys in the next video.